So it's me. I'm outside a laundromat. The cops gave me a ride. I had just gotten out of my my little stealth spot back in the woods here outside of Cortland, and was about to cross the road, and a police cruiser stops, or SUV, two of them, and they're like, "Hey, it's dangerous crossing the road, and we'll give you a courtesy ride down to the laundromat," which is 2.5 miles away, which I'm like, okay. Didn't ask a lot of questions, just helpful. Probably the white hair. The white hair probably really helps in the estimation of, whatever. So, the officer gave me a ride to the laundromat. Just got here. It doesn't have any Wi-Fi, which is, but it'll allow me to do my laundry, which is, an arm load basically. But I don't have any laundry soap, which is fine. I found that just it's fine. And then I'm gonna head down to the library, which is about a mile down the road. I'll be able to upload some videos and actually get something of content on my Facebook and YouTube and all that stuff. And then I probably won't be able to do it again until after Emporia. I don't know. I'll probably stay here another day or two. The thing is I've got depression. And when I say I have depression, I don't mean I've got, I'm just unhappy. It's not the case. It's serotonin levels in my brain are low or non-existent, and so I just feel like crap all day. My hope was that by doing this walk would really help me, because there are triggers to depression. I can be depressed and then the depression sets in, but that doesn't always happen. But so I'm gonna head out tomorrow, get a few things I need to do done today. The thing is, it's also cold, man. It's cold as all get out, and it's cold, and it got down to 31 degrees last night, and there's no leaves on the trees. So everywhere I go, even if I stealth camp, it's doubly hard to find a spot to stealth camp. Whereas, I don't know, you can see this over here, but normally I can just go right 10 feet from here, 15 feet from here, and find a place in those bushes, and I'm set. But because there's no leaves on it, people see right through it. I got to go, 100 feet back under a hill or something crazy. But waiting out the winter is not an option. That's another month away at least. So I'll just keep on going, but I'll be taking it slow for the next month or so. I'm not going to be going overly quick, and it'll also help get me in shape, maybe, and help me get accustomed to this. I'm not going to be able to stop and do laundry every time I need it. But if I can encounter I would actually prefer not to spend money on laundry. I'd prefer to do it by hand in a nice stream. But everything in Virginia is muddy and gross. But it is cold. But anyway, things are going well with me. I'm worried about the stuff that I left back at the campsite, which was further in, about 100. I don't know, a couple hundred feet in. Maybe half of a football field in, but hopefully the cops aren't going to go tramping around and take my stuff or whatever. I'm just kind of praying about it, keeping my fingers crossed, and doing what I need to do in town, and then we'll see what happens. Wayward Yeti signing off.